I'm going to take you through the process of how I made these custom name tags. I'm going to use them as Christmas gifts. I'm going to be making about 20 to 30 of them, and I thought it'd be fun just to show you behind the scenes and how the process works. So here's the first one, and I've been using it for a little while now, and I think that it came out pretty well. The size is a little bit large, but how I came up with it at first is, if you look here, I designed it out. We drew up what I thought should be the dimensions, and then we went to work. So how the process works is you start off with the 3D modeling, and then you are going to send that to a 3D slicer by creating a .stl file, which is what you just saw. And then from there, to get it to the 3D printer, you actually generate the G code. My 3D modeling software is Autodesk Fusion. I use Ultimaker Cura for my 3D slicing, and my 3D printer is an Ender 3. So next what I do is I drag in the file, the 3D model we created, into the Cura software, and it's got the outline of the 3D printer. I put in the settings for the 3D printer, how much it's filled in, if there's an adhesion layer, and then after that you hit slice. Then you can preview it and see all the layers that it creates, and then it's simply a matter of getting that file onto a movable media and then putting it onto the printer. So now that I've selected the file to start printing, it's heating up the bed and it's heating up the nozzle. Once those get to the right temperature, then the 3D printer automatically goes in and starts to print. Nice, check that out. It looks pretty good. I think it looks just like the image we created earlier. Next up, I'll do some tests to see how it feels, how it fits, and then make improvements for the next batch. Pretty happy with how that one came out. Some adjustments can be made. I'll reduce the length a little bit, and the thickness I'll put in half, and then the key ring hole I'll increase the size, and then the only thing left to do is bulk create them. To see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to Engineering IRL.